Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's your girl Minami here again with another bomb tutorial. So if you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe down below and don't forget to turn on the notification bar. That's the bell icon down below, such that you get notifications each time I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve this smoky eye makeup tutorial. So do well to give it a thumbs up because I know you're going to like this video, and share with family and friends. With all that said, let's jump right into this tutorial. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I started out by doing my brows off camera, and I'm going to link the tutorial to my detailed brow tutorial down in the description box. Then I went into with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to be using this blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to blend that concealer all over my eyelids. After that, I went into my 24 hours Million Pauline long wear gel eyeliner, and I'm going to be using it as a base for the smoky eye. For a smoky eye, it's very important to use an eyeshadow base, a gel eyeshadow base. You can use an eyeliner or so, such that it makes the smoky eye even bold and the black color is going to pop even more. Then I went in with this blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of the gel liner I applied earlier. And throughout this tutorial, you're going to see me emphasizing on blending. With a smoky eye, you really want to blend everything, make sure there are no harsh lines and all that. Then I went into my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'm going to be going in with the only black eyeshadow which is there, called Black Truffle, and I'm going to be using this eyeshadow brush just to pat the eyeshadow in and to set the gel liner I used earlier. After that, I continue blending. Then I went into my Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to be using this first shade called Jezebel, and I'm going to use it to blend out the edges of that black eyeshadow I just applied. And I'm going to blend, trying to blend it together. I really took my time in blending. It looks very fast because I speed up the video, but take your time and blend everything together. After that, I went in with the color Morocco, and I used a different blending brush, and I'm going to apply that color as the second transition color today, and I'm going to blend. After that, I went back again with the color Jezebel just to put some more and to create that gradient effect, because on applying the second transition color I lost some of these. So I'm just going to blend everything together, and after blending it should look something like this. Then I went again with the black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pop some more just to make this look bold and to ensure that the color, because it's a black smoky eye, it's a smoky eye, so it needs a dark base. So I'm going back again with the dark eyeshadow, and then blend with all the other colors I use. So basically I used 3 eyeshadows for this look. I went ahead to do the other eye off camera, then applied my falsies. Then I used my L'Oreal Paris Inflammable Mattifying Base Primer, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'm breaking out and I have some terrible acne, but we don't mind, we're still going to slay. Then I went in with my Revlon Color Stay foundation. Is good for combination of oily skin. This is the first time I'm using this foundation, but it's really good. So I'm going to be using I applied it twice just to cover my acne scars and all that, to give it a more full coverage look. So I went in like with 2 layers of the foundation. So I'm just going to quickly blend that with my Master Beauty blender and spread it, come down to my neck and everywhere visible. Then I'm going to blend. Most of the times I see people doing this error. They apply foundation to their face and not their neck, and put on like off shoulder tops or tops where their neck is visible and their face is a completely different color from the other one. So do well to always try to spread your foundation. If you don't want to apply the foundation directly to your neck, you can as well just use the beauty blender and just try to blend everything together such that you're looking even and all like even skin tone. I went back again with my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to use it to highlight my T-zones and blend with Master Beauty blender. Then I went in with this dark foundation. I'm going to be using it to contour. If you're old in my channel, you must have seen this foundation severally. So I'm just going to use that to contour my face such that it looks smaller, define my cheekbones and all the good stuff. Then went in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm going to use it to set my T-zones, all the areas I concealed earlier. I'm just going to set them with my Sacha Buttercup powder, still using my blending sponge, my beauty blender, however you want to call it. Then I went in with this smaller brush and I'm going to just smoke out my under eyes. I'm going to be using all the colors I use at the top and I'm going to use it down, but this is very optional, but it just makes your eyes pop even more and everything. Then I went into this Laura Clean powder and I'm going to use this contour brush to set the areas I contoured. I'm just going to set it. The areas I used the liquid foundation, I'm just going to set it. Then I went back again to counter contour. Then using this fluffy brush, I'm going to dust off all of the powder I used to set my highlighter areas. And I know I look a bit ashy, yes, you don't expect to apply powder and look normal, right? So I'm going to use this Fit Me dust powder and I'm going to set the rest of my face. Then I'm going to get a quick bath using my Kiss Beauty setting spray, the Kiss Beauty setting spray in Cherry Blossom. So I'm going to use this bronze palette, this master bronze palette from Ushers, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And be careful because I highlighted my brow bone and kind of went below. That's a mistake I did, but it still turned out good. Then I went back again with my blending brush, which I used to apply my eyeshadows earlier, and I'm just going to blend the two together. Then I went into this random mini eyeshadow palette and I'm just going to pop on this gold shimmer something eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pop it into my inner tear dots just to make this look even more popperish. Then I went again with my bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze. You know the drill, we do this all the time. Just highlight, okay, highlight popping. So after that, I went into with my brown pencil to line my lips. This brown pencil is from it's just a random brown pencil. Yes, just a random brown pencil. So I'm just going to line my lips. Then I went into this velvet matte lipstick from Victoria's Secret. I'm going to apply it. It's a pink velvet matte shade. Then I'm going to use this brown pencil just to kind of blend everything together. Then I went into this random lip gloss thingy and just blend everything together. Thanks for watching.